Mnangagwa deports 9 Chinese nationals. The 20th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, government is set to deport 9 Chinese nationals arrested in Harare for cocaine possession. The National Prosecuting Authority of Zimbabwe, NPAZ, has confirmed the 9 Yuhefeng Dong Yunmei, Yang Wanwen Wu Yuejun Yang Qin, Fang Yue, Sun Jai, Yao Wenming, and Li Zhangju were each fined $150 after pleading guilty to cocaine use. They are now awaiting deportation. In a statement, the NPAZ acknowledged widespread public concern over what many viewed as a lenient sentence. The authority reaffirmed its commitment to prosecuting drug-related crimes with greater firmness going forward. The NPAZ is aware of the public's concern regarding the sentence handed down in the case involving 9 Chinese nationals who pleaded guilty to using dangerous drugs, cocaine. We reaffirm our commitment to the diligent and fair prosecution of all criminal cases, the statement read. The authority stressed that Zimbabwe's laws apply equally to all, regardless of nationality or status, and confirmed that the 9 will be deported. It also announced new directives to ensure prosecutors pursue tougher sentences in future drug cases. Henceforth, all public prosecutors have been instructed to prefer the correct charges in drug-related cases and to aggressively pursue stiffer penalties that truly reflect the seriousness of these offenses. This stance reflects Zimbabwe's determination to combat drug abuse, said the NPAZ. The authority urged the public to remain vigilant, saying their concerns reinforced a shared commitment to tackling the growing scourge of dangerous drugs in the country.